uses a perceptron to decide whether the loan is sanctioned or not, approved or not. So this is the single neural network. These are the input layers, that is we are using three features x1, x2, x3, and there are five hidden layers that we wanted to find, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and we'll be getting a weighted sum, then output. Okay, this is our data set. These are the three features and this is the target that is already there. We will be finding, okay, we'll be predicting again. So here there are given weights. In previous video, that is regarding single neural networks, there we did not have predefined weights or whatever the v values. We just imagined weights as 0.1 and v values as 0.1. So if there are no weights are given, then obviously we should have to imagine. At that time, after imagining, we will get the same values for all the hidden layers. Here they have mentioned the weights, so we'll be going with this values only. So first step will be like input hidden layer weights, like these are the things, these are the weights, hidden layer weights, and the activation function will be f of z is equals to, if z is greater than or equals to 0, we'll be consider the step function as 1. If z is less than 0, we'll be considering 0. We'll be going with the first row. Our first row is 6, 5, 1. So first we'll be finding out this. So the formula will be like z is equals to w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3, like that. Okay, so this is the x1 and your weight 1 is like here you can see 0.2, right? So 6 into 0.2, and your x2 is 5 and here is 0.1, so 5 into 0.1 plus your weight, I mean like x3 is 1 and your weight is 0.1, so you will be doing into point. So in the same way you will be finding for h2 and h3, h4 and h5. These are the things you will be finding, and after that you will be keeping inside a step function so that you will be getting this value. Okay, so for example, if it is 0.4, it is greater than 0, so you will be considering as 1. 3.1, it is greater than 0, you will be considering h as 1. So in that way you will be finding the hidden layer output as this. Like I said, 5 hidden layers, so 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1, that means 5. All 5 things you will be finding for the first row. So again, now this is done for row 1. Then for row 2, for the other one, you will be finding the hidden layer output. After that, what you do is you will be finding a summation of VIHI. Now this is it. You are given v values as 0.3 minus 0.2, 0.4, 0.1 minus 0.5, right? So v values you will be substituting in this particular h, I mean like hidden layers. So 1 into 0.3 plus 1 into minus 0.2 plus 0 into 0.4. These things are this, you are doing this particular thing. You are substituting the v values inside this along with the h, summation of vi and hi. So you will be finding the output layer. After finding output layer, you will be doing this thing again. You will be finding the prediction. Y is equals to f of minus 0.3. That is 0 because it is in the negative. So we will be considering it as a 0. And compare the target with, target was 1 and the prediction was 0. That means there is a mismatch. That means error exists. What do? You update the weights again. So you will be updating the weights. What are the previous weights? Previous weights were this: 0.3, minus 0.2, 0.4, 0.1 and minus 0.5. So all the 5 weights you will be updating by using this particular formula, as you have seen in our previous videos. Same formula. W new is equals to W old plus neta into t minus y into x. Okay, this x is the layer that you are considering. So here the x values are the hidden layer values. That is, you got 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, right? So these are the values. Here for first one you have considered 1. For second one again 1. Again here you have considered 0 because it is 0. And third one again 1, and fourth one 1. Fifth one also 1. Third one was 0. right? So you will be considering the hidden layers values as your x here. That's it. V new is equals to V old plus 0.1 is your neta. Basically, we have considered neta as 0.1, right? And t minus y, that means target value minus whatever the thing that you got. Here the target is 1 but the prediction was 0, so every time 1 minus 0. For the first step I have done, for the other things I have just taken 1. Okay, so it is it. And x means these values. So same way you will be doing with the other row, that is 2 comma 1 comma 1. Same way you will be finding h1 h2 h3 h4 h5. After getting the hidden output, you will be finding summation of vi hi. As you know the v values, you got the h values, then you will be finding that. After that you will be predicting again. If the prediction does not match, that means error. If it is matching, like here y is equals to 0, and in our question also the for the second row we have 0, so it is matching. The moment it matches, we don't need to update it, so it's done. We'll be moving for the next row, that is 5 comma 4 comma 1. The target is 1. Let's see how it works. h1 h2 h3, same way you'll be finding. After that after finding, you will get hidden output, like all of these are hidden outputs. Then again you will be finding z. After finding z, you will be finding y. You got 0.52, that means you will be taking it as 1, and your prediction is 1, your target is also 1, so there is no error. You're fine with it. Continue with the other row also in the same way. This is it.